Alright guys, so the phone's fucking plugged up because piece of shit's dying. But there's the big ass exhaust right there. This thing is massive and heavy as shit. Probably 40 pounds. No shit. Anyways, but there it is. It's not perfect, but all this shit had to come off. The shock, you can kind of work around it, but this whole fucking guard had to come off. It's a bitch because all the bolts and shit up here. Anyways, but $40 for this thing ain't too bad. The reason it's angled up like that and kind of slanted this way is because this right here, this is the only hole I had to work with. So, let's see. See, it's kind of slanted off to the side, but anything's better than that piece of shit. So, we'll let y'all hear it right quick. So all it is a little Allen head right there in the bottom, and this thing was kind of tight, so I had to get some pliers to pull it out. But there it is. Probably take this side of it right here, and then put it back in just for the looks, because that's a big ass hole. I don't too much care for that. All right, here we go. Let's listen to it. Oh yeah. A lot better. A lot better. Took about